All State wanted to go to, so some are going to Caldwell for $35.
Boys want everybody to keep up with me today. My 2 tows I did today are more than you did all week, and probably Donald too. We did 1,600 today, didn't we?
It was 875. This one's going to be 875. It's 1750.
I did 1,750 today. Whatever you want to do. What motor's in here?
7.6 Cummins.
Oh, really? So it's got the Cummins.
Yeah. Or 6.7 Cummins, I'm sorry. So even if I had to put a motor in, it wouldn't be terrible.
We towed one to, I don't know if it's a Chevy or GMC store in Navasota. What year was that truck?
2021.
They wanted $38,000 to put a Duramax motor in that truck. I was thinking maybe 25.
Well, whenever I blew up my Nissan, they told me that the long block was 14.
Yeah.
And I'd have to have everything, related.
I'm gonna back up. short ones. I'll get them. Yeah, we're gonna need to. You ever had this towed before? First time?
Yes.
Tell to be old and fat.
I absolutely understand.
You almost got me in, Carter, but they're on a line of tow.
Yeah, it's tough getting old. It ain't for me.
No. I'm gonna put it in neutral real quick.
Sir?
I gotta put it in neutral real quick.
Okay. Yeah, Kevin, it's got a emergency brake is on, I think, so you probably got to drop that.
So it's a handbrake.
Yep,
Uh,
right there beside you.
okay.
Flip that down.
And this thing ain't got about
Put the
100.
lights on.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And the lights are on park lights, so you just
Is that-
all the way
is that-
up or all the way down
This one? Oh, this.
the switch. Right
Oh, here?
there.
Okay.
All right, now it's beeping because the park brake.
Yeah, that's fine. We can actually get the dry shaft out and put it back in park if you don't want that to.
I don't care.
Now see, and I forgot to bring my lights.
I called the tow truck people that know what to do.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna pick it up now.
Good?
Tammy, we've towed the
understand.
Macco truck.
Okay.
She wanted to bring the big truck.
It's 22,000.
This is rated for a 30,000 tow.
Yeah.
So you're not picking up 30,000 pounds.
30,000,
Yeah.
But it's on the scale. It was 22,000.
Alright, so here's that.
And what's really good about these type of trucks, the axle's not, you don't have the axle's not wet.
blade.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, you're gonna have to make a turn to
We'll be fine. I got to turn the PTO off. Then we got to do the straps.
drive.
You already
back.
done the tow lights or no?
I'm fixing to do that now.
Let's do the safety change real quick. You go to the other side.
Alright, let me get the
Watch for cars over here. No, shut it and get back over there. No good place.
No, there's no metal on it, so it's going to have to be strapped on.
We could go here.
Yeah, these hooks are pretty good. And down, you can go up and down.
Let's see.
I
What kind of, like that. Just don't let this come. I don't know if it will reach across. You got it? I don't want that to come get you though.
I got it.
Okay, yep. I was burning brush. We usually have these things. I think we bought them from you.
What's that?
The
neckline?
yeah.
Yep.
I don't know. She normally does this.
But you have nowhere to tie it.
You couldn't have done this. Is it hard enough for me to do it with him helping? See how much you got to stretch it.
I got some. I got some bungee cords if you want to try a different length.
Man, I think that's good. You're probably not going to tie safety on it.
I know.
There ain't nothing you can do about it. We need to fix that light too. All right, let me get the dry shaft out.
Where's the real big one? We don't have one in there?
It's in there, and I'm just trying.
I don't know what we need.
We need to hit the lottery is what we need.
Well, I know that. I've been trying.
Where's the yellow light?
It's right here. Got it? Oh, did you just take the yellow light? Or did you
Yeah, I got it.
Where?
I have the yellow light right here. Okay.
Okay, I need your hand. Is that two?
Here's that. And then
Okay, just hold it. Right there.
I'm gonna need maybe the blue straps.
Let me see if they're in here. I don't. Don't see 'em.
I might better use the black ones. You got them?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm sorry. They gotta be black.
The little bitty one?
The black one.
Right there. You still need the
No, I'm good.
one?
No, I'm done with the pry bar. Yeah. So if you want, you can put it back in park and turn the key off. Maybe I got the key off. But if you don't want that, and you can probably turn your hazards off unless you just want to leave them on.
That's up to you.
They got good strong batteries.
Should be good enough for now.
Okay, maybe just leave them on for safety.
Get another friend.
Everything up here is as secure as it's gonna get. Now, quick question about back there. I'm not fussing in any way, form, or fashion. But can I take and fold this up, put it behind it, and wrap a little tape around it to pad that from being on the...
Yeah, I might have a kneeling pad.
Well, I don't know if it's gonna take. It won't stay behind it.
I might have a kneeling pad.
No, you're fine. I'll just take it, put it to where I can go around between the lights.
So we need to pull it back.
That's okay. Let me get this ready.
You know what I'm talking about? I got a pad.
But I don't know if it'll hold it.
We'd have to tape it or
You'd
something.
have to tape it to the.
Well, I'll tape the pad to that.
I see what he's gonna put.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put.
So wait till he gets ready, and then he's gonna go around the.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, I don't know why they don't put any kind of stop, but you know, most of the stuff we're towing,
It's
you know, are trailers. Usually we're in the back end.
yeah, but you're normally not using against vinyl,
Yeah.
and that stuff is so freaking fragile. It ain't funny.
And then you gotta put one on that
Yeah, I'm gonna
side.
put one on that side too.
We'll switch. No, that should work.
Well, it's really tight, so that ought to keep it from doing anything. It may bounce a little bit, but it shouldn't hurt nothing doing that.
And what's bad is we have our
Oh, I did
little
do them
lights.
straps, the axle straps. Let me go do them. Tammy, I don't have the other one. Be careful. Go. It's probably. Just watch the traffic. Why do you think the motor's bad? It make a knocking noise?
Yeah, but I don't think it's the motor. I think it's something in the valve train.
Okay.
I mean, it's the motor, but
You know what horsepower this one is?
I don't.
That one's it's got the Cummins just like this, but it's a 350 horse.
I think this is probably a 310.
Is there is this enough on the chain?
That's good. We're good. I just forgot these. Damn it.
And then you still have the new floor, right?
We got it back in park, but I ain't got the dry chest out.
But did you want to take the keys out?
RPM related.
Were you messing with something over here?
Huh?
There's something leaking over here.
Yeah, it's over there. It's the power steering.
Oh, okay. I was thinking maybe, hopefully it was fuel. Maybe it's not such a bad deal. That thing about them work lights, I can't see shit. I'm almost done. Yes.
Let me grab one thing.
I'm gonna go ahead and get in.
Okay.
And then you want to double check, just make sure you got everything before we
We're good.
leave the lights on. Got the battery.